welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to make our next program. So we will just go with delete this sprite. Here it is deleted. Now we will go to stage. It's already open stage. Now we go to background, import, and we are going to take nature. We will take beach, Maggie beach, and take it OK. Then it will come like this. Now we will do this stage coding first. So it's control when flag clicked, then we will go to switch background help. So it's in groups. So first we will take a more number of backgrounds, whichever you want. Canyon. Now we will take it to flower bed also, okay. Then we will take it to flowers, okay. We will make number of backgrounds like this. So now we will take it to next, which is beach Malibu, which is already there. Now we will take to canyon. Now we will next move to when I receive, this is the new, when I receive this here new, we will type any type of a message. Now I will return hello. I will write it here, hello, and we will take OK. Then we will take to repeat. So we will take repeat it 10 times. I am taking it. Now we will do the change color effect by 10. So this is in motion actually. Yes, it's in look. Change effect, change color is, I am taking color, and we will set by, we will make it 10. So we will write here 10. Then we will again to next background. We will don't keep it inside. Now we will again go to control, repeat 10. Then we will again go to looks. Then again it will come set color. Now we will not do set color. Now we will take it to pixelate. Now we will effect by -10. I will take it -10. And here -10. Now we will write clear graphic effects. This is the last. This is for the stage one. Now I will choose a sprite, whichever you want. I am taking any sprite, and people I am taking a boy, one standing. Okay, this is a big boy, small boy, so we will make it big. This much big is enough. Now for this coding, we will do when sprite 1 clicked. So here it will come when sprite 1 clicked. Then we will go to broadcast. So we will here get broadcast. Whatever you have written in the stage, it will come like this, hello. So we will play it, and before playing it, the sprite should be can rotate. Now we will try to play. You have to click on this sprite whichever you have. I have taken a boy, so I am clicking not in it. Then it will start work. See, now it's changing little bit with different colors. Now it will turn white. Then you are again it start like this. You can try out more like this. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.